Hi, this is Jim Robinson with 2internetmarketing.com. Now in the last video we looked at the basics of setting up a web page. Now I've added a little more to our web page, and you'll see how quickly that this all starts to come together just with the very basics of HTML. And in the title I added Learn How to Market on the Internet. So once we save this, that will be the title that shows up in the top of the browser. Meta name, description, content. The best internet marketing information is at 2internetmarketing.com. Now, what this is, since it's a meta name, this won't show up on the web page, but what this will be like if Google displays your web page, that's what they might use to, when they use it when it shows up on Google, it will show that as your little snippet. Sometimes they don't always use this as the snippet. They might go down to your web page and actually pull something off your page, but a lot of times they use what you put in the meta name here. And then between P and the closing P, that should be a closing P there. Okay, and then we should have an opening P here. This is text. And then once we save this will show up as text, and then you can put as much text on the page. You could write a whole page of text between these two tags, or else which you really wouldn't do, you wouldn't write a whole page. What you would do is you would break it up, and as you broke it up you would use a new start P and a closing P. But technically the P tag, that's all you need to put text on your whole page. And then now here's how you link to another site, and we're just linking to internetmarketing.com. But linking is one of the main things on the web. It's pretty much what started the web, and this is one of the things you'll use over and over again, and after a while you won't even think about it. But anyway, it's ahref, and what that is it's just A is the anchor, and href is hyperlink reference. And then you put in your site you're going to. I just put in 2 internet marketing between quotes, and then you put the actual clickable link right here. This is what will be clickable right here, and then you close the A tag there with the slash before the A. Now if we'd want to make a link to Google, we could just go ahref and then put Google there. And then if we wanted to make a clickable image source, we would put image source equals, and then the HTTP, and then this is the link of the GIF. I made up a GIF of Google so that we can see that when we go to the page here. So we're going to basically save all this, and you'll see what comes out on the front page. So we'll save changes, and then we'll go to the browser, and we'll see how we're already starting to get a web page here. Okay, this is text. Up in the browser top, which I can't show you because I don't have the video up there, but it says Learn How to Market on the Internet, which we put in the title. And then this is text, which was wrapped with the P tag. This ahref is how you hyperlink, and then basically we could click on that and it'll go to internetmarketing.com. Now we can go back, and then here's a ahref, but also with an image source, and this goes to Google. So if we click on that, that's a clickable image. You can make images that aren't clickable. All we would do is take out the ahref code, which we can do here in a second. Okay, now that takes us to Google. That's a clickable image. So you can see that we're already done quite a bit with just very little code here. Now let's go back to we'll minimize this, and we'll go back to this page here, and I'm going to do this real quick. What we'll do is we'll take off the ahref part of this clickable image. So now this will just be an image, and if you notice, that image had a border around it, and when we went to the web page, how you get rid of that is you go border equals and then 0 and quotation marks, and then what we'll do here is we'll go we're going to go ahead and put in a little more text. So we close that first text, then we open up the next one, and then we go, this is more text, so you can see how this will just keep going down the page. So now we'll save all that, and we'll see where we're at with those few changes, and then we're going to wrap up this video. I'm trying to keep these videos short. So now when we refresh, this is clickable now, this won't be clickable, and this will add a little more text. So then we just refresh, and now see when I come on this image, you can't click it, it's just an image. And then we added more text here, so you can see how you can build a web page and do different things with just some basic web HTML code. And then we'll take a look at some more in the next lesson.